Hey, what's up?
Yellow.
Isn't it funny?
Go to hell.
Are you some Joker? Joker?
You're a stalker? Sorry, I doubted myself. I don't know. I started saying it. I was like, no, that's the wrong line.
Alright, why didn't you mind your own goddamn business? Have a while. Yeah, that's all, folks.
I forgot my line. Except I'm holding it in this hand. Damn it. What's the next line? What's the next line? Yeah, kinda. Sorry. Let me put less pause after that. I forgot about that part. I don't remember what the next line is. Did anyone in my health class put you up to this?
No. Who is this?
Oh, fuck.
Nick's buying a soda. Take one.
Alright, I gotta go. I'll talk to you later.
We're taking the Coke can with us.
Hurry up!
Fuck off! I take a while, okay?
Fuck you! Cutting off my fucking lines.
That went well. That went real well. I felt your rage.
Dogs!
In the house, put your hands in the air. You don't care. We don't care.
What's he?
So this is a scene where Kelly enters and she's like, what?
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 Yeah!
That starts.
You are filming this, aren't you? Yeah, you're right here. And I was like, I need to. And you were like, nuh-uh. And you were like, no shit.
Do that as
Donkey!
I've never stuck to a New Year's resolution for more than a week.
Stuck to New Year's resolution.
Phone call could be anything. It could be like that guy named Folsom. Called that guy.
Bullshit. No fucking way. That's not a real
That could be what it is. It could be. It could be exactly. No, he did this.
What is this? Two words. Phone house. Phone box.
Phone mine.
Phone.
I'm gonna try it once more though, really gently, just so it'll go slow. Like lob it this time. Fuck you.
Mark it. Take two. Mark it. Thank you, Ryan. Take three. Mark it, Ryan.
Smack.
Mark it,
That's
Ryan.
terrible. Take three. Take two. Better.
Great. Mark it. And Ashton. All right, great.
Fail.
There you go. Thank you. Mark it. Thank you. Mark it. Ooh. Mark it again. And action. And
Stu? Hey, I got it. Sorry.
Kelly!
got it.
Is that it?
Yeah. Sorry, yeah.
Okay, listen, whatever, Stu. Listen, can you let everyone... Yeah. I'll just say it from here.
Kelly!
Damn it!
I'm gonna beat this thing.
I know.
I'm sorry, can we have
I
another
know,
take?
it's so dramatic.
I'm gonna beat this thing.
I know.
Only two.
Stu!
Kelly!
Come on! Get up, baby! Come on! Stay with me!
He started hitting my ticklish.
Come on, baby! Come, get up! Get back up! Don't hang on! Don't... Somebody help! Somebody help!
baby, don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't give up. I'm talking to you from heaven, baby. I'm still here. I'm always here. Don't cry. Don't.
And scene.
Rendezvous when I'm through with you. Rendezvous. I was swallowing, and then they layer it.
I was swallowing my ride, I would choke on the rhymes. I would laugh the rhyme, I would choke on the rhyme. It's a rap. It's a rap.